Good morning students. This class we are going to learn about combined shapes example 2.9 and 2.10. Listen it. Listen the note. If the biggest circle is cut from a square of side A units. Biggest circle is cut from square of a side units. This is the square. This inside you draw one biggest circle. Okay. So we want the area of the unshaded part. Here I will shade it. So this is one of the square. This inside having one biggest circle. Then the remaining area. This is the area. So we want the remaining area. Then we use this result to find out the answer. Okay, 3 by 14 a square square units. Then second point, the area of the biggest circle cut from the square of a units 11 by 14 a square square units approximately. Area of the biggest circle is cut from the square of units. So this one biggest circle area 11 by 14 a square. Then next point is in the given figure. This is the figure. If pi is 22 by 7, the area of the unshaded part. This is the unshaded part. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This 4 parts is unshaded. Okay. The unshaded part of a square, we want the area of unshaded part. We use 3 by 7 a square square units. Okay. We use this result, we get the answer very easily. And that of the shaded part is this petals area. So we find out the shaded part of this figure. We use 4 by 7 a square square units. 4 by 7 a square square units. Okay, so we use this result, find out example 2.9. Example 2.9. Find the area of the shaded region in the square of side 10 cm as given in the figure. Okay. So, we know the result area of the shaded region. What's the formula? 4 by 7 a square. Area of the shaded region. Okay. Area of the shaded region is 4 by 7 a square. So, 4 by 7 into a value is 10 centimeters. So 10 into 10. We get 400 by 7. Find out the division of 400 by 7. 400 divided by 7. 5 sevens are 35. 5 balance. Again bring down this 0. 7 sevens are 49. 1 balance. Here not having 0. We take the point. Point after you take zeros. Okay. So now the number is 10. 1 7 is 7. Balance is 30. 7 4s are 28. Again balance 2. So approximately the area of the shaded region is 57.14 centimeter square. This is the answer. 57.14 centimeter square. Okay, this method you write in your note. Example 2.10. This method question 5 mark. Okay. Find the area of an irregular polygon field whose measures are as given in this figure. See the figure. How many parts are given? We take the first triangle is 1. Second, this trapezium is 2. Again one more triangle 3. This triangle 4th part. This triangle 5th part. So we add all the areas of this 5th part of the figure. Okay, we add all the values. So find out the first triangle, find out the area of the trapezium, area of the right triangle, area of this triangle and area of 5th triangle. We find out all the areas. We find out the addition of that value. We get the area of an irregular polygon. This is polygon shape. Okay, so the given field has how many triangles? 4 triangles and only one trapezium. 4 triangles and only one trapezium. I'll explain the diagram first. Listen the first figure. This is triangle. Triangle, the base value is 5 meter and the height is 6 meter. Okay, base is 5 and take the height is 6 meter. Base is 5 meter and the height is 6 meter. Listen, second, trapezium. Trapezium, the height is, we add the side, 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is, we get 13. This is the height value. And A is 6 meter and B is 4 meter. A is 6 meter and B is 4 meter. Listen, the third figure. Third part also triangle. So triangle, we take the base value is 4 meter and the height is 8 meter. Okay, height is, or we consider height is 4 meter and base is 8 meter. Okay, then fourth part, the height is, we take 10 meter and the base is, we add the value 8 plus 5, 13 meter. Or consider height is 13 meter and the base is 10 meter. Okay, then fifth part is, the base value, we take 8 plus 5, 13 and the height is 10 meter. Okay, base is 13 meter, height is 10 meter, or height is 13 meter, base is 10 meter. So we use this measures, find out the area of this irregular polygon. Now listen the solution. So area of the triangle 1, half into base into height, so half into 5 into 6. So 1 2 is 2, here 3 2s are 6. 6 5 3s are, we get 15 meter square. Then area of the trapezium, half into height into A plus B. So 1 by 2 into 13 into 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4, what's the value? 10. So 1 by 2 into 13 into 10. 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10. 13 5s are, we get 65 meter square. Then area of the triangle 3, half into base into height. So 1 by 2 into 8 into 4. 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8. 4 4s are, we get 16 meter square. Then area of the triangle, fourth triangle, 1 by 2 into base into height, 1 by 2 into 13 into 10. So 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10, 13 5s are, we get 65 meter square. Then area of the triangle, half into base into height, so 1 by 2 into 13 into 10. So 1 2 2, 5 2s are 10. So 13 5s are, again we get 65 meter square. So total area of the field, we add all the answers, 15 plus 65 plus 16 plus 65 plus 65. Add all the value, we get 226 meter square. Okay. The sums in this exercise, we do it.